Tesla loses its spot on the S&P index due to concerns over crashes, working conditions, and I guess probably something related to self-driving. S&P Dow Jones says EV makers slipped down ranks versus peers. ESG score fairly stable, but stakeholder analysis flags risks.
Sorry, what's an ESG score? That's like the stock volatility?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's whether or not it's a pick. Is it what is it?
Okay.
Is it a stock? Is it a good buy? I mean, obviously we need Mo for this section.
Yeah.
ESG score. Investors can compare a company's performance to that of industry peers and companies from other sectors by assigning an ESG score, which can range from 0 to 100. A score of less than 50 is regarded as poor, while a score of more than 70 is considered excellent.
Go back to the article, Will. So they're saying that they're still considered like a good stock in terms of financial gains, but because of the working conditions and stuff, that's why it's getting knocked out of S&P.
I think that's one part of it.
Okay, S&P Dow Jones says that Tesla's score on environmental, social, and governance standards has remained fairly stable over the past year, but that it has slipped down the ranks against improving global peers. The index provider also cited concerns related to working conditions and the firm's handling of an investigation into deaths and injuries linked to its driver assistance systems. A lack of low-carbon strategy and codes of business conduct also counted against Elon Musk's company, it said. While Tesla may be playing its part in taking fuel-powered cars off the road, it has fallen behind its peers when examined through a wider ESG lens. This is via Margaret Dorn, Senior Director and Head of ESG Indices for S&P Dow Jones in North America.
Dude, look at Elon's tweet. That Exxon, that gas company, is top 10
That's right.
for environment, social, and governance. Are you kidding?
He goes on to say ESG is a scam. It has been weaponized by phony social justice warriors. We tend to know where Elon stands on that. This is one of those situations where you may have a group here exerting its influence and kind of, I mean, I'm not going to go into any type of conspiracy here, but I would presume there would be for somebody, there could be incentives for this sort of thing, that there could be some sort of incentive structure around this. S&P 500 ESG index is tracked by at least 16 exchange-traded funds. Berkshire Hathaway, Johnson & Johnson, and Meta Platforms are among other large companies that also don't make the list. Interesting. Those are big companies, by the way.
Isn't Berkshire Hathaway's it's an investor's
Buffett
thing? Yeah, Warren Buffett's thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they what sort of protocols are they looking for when it comes to environment or when it comes to working conditions? What is that standard that they're looking for? And are the rules completely open? Can we all go and look at it and say, how do we compete? Or
I bet it's all.
Or is it like an Academy Award?
Exactly.
And it's like, I don't know.
It's that.
Although I did get an email from JD Power.
Okay.
About my Taycan.
What did it say?
It wanted me to participate.
Oh.
So that's real. I mean, I don't know if it's real or not, but you know what I'm saying? Like, in that case, they want my feedback. That's the purpose of the thing, the initial quality. So it has to be a relatively new car.
Sure.
And, hey, have you had any problems? If so, what was it? How were you taken care of? Et cetera, et cetera.
So we know that JD Power is real.
I didn't answer it, so it's not real until I guess I contribute. Maybe I should just do it.
Yeah.
You're part of the solution.
Maybe I should just do it.
What do you have to do?
Well, I got to do, it's essentially like a survey on my initial satisfaction with the Taycan and Porsche as a brand.
Oh, okay.
I can give you a preview. It's good.
I would imagine.
It's good.
Just a thumbs up?
Yeah, if it was that easy to fill out the survey.
Yeah, then you would have done it.
1 thumb or 2 thumbs?
Yeah.
I'm like, perfect.
How many thumbs up? Like, you spin this little dial as to how good the thumb is?
That's it. I'd be done already.
Yeah.